Niagara Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts millions of tourists every year. Located on the border of Canada and the United States, it offers stunning scenery that leaves visitors in awe. The tourism industry around Niagara Falls is thriving, offering travelers a plethora of activities. From boat tours that take you up close to the powerful cascades to helicopter rides that offer a bird's-eye view of the falls, there is no shortage of ways to experience this majestic place. When planning a visit to Niagara Falls, it is important to research and choose the best time to visit. The falls offer different experiences throughout the year, from the frozen whimsical ice to the vibrant spring blooms. Also, taking into account factors such as the number of people and weather conditions can greatly enhance the overall experience. Getting to Niagara Falls is relatively easy, with convenient transportation options available from both the U.S. and Canadian sides. Whether you are an adventurer looking for thrilling entertainment or simply want to marvel at the beauty of nature, a visit to Niagara Falls promises an unforgettable experience.